If you've ever looked at a stock chart and thought, what am I actually looking at? You're not alone. To beginners, stock charts can seem confusing. There are lines, candles, prices, and colors everywhere. But once you understand the basics, stock charts become much easier to read. In this video, I'll explain the essentials without using complicated jargon. Let's begin. The first thing you'll notice is the price. The vertical axis shows the stock's price. The horizontal axis shows time. Together, they tell the story of how a stock's price has moved over a specific period. Now let's talk about candlesticks. A candlestick shows what happened to the stock price during a certain time period. Depending on your chart settings, a single candlestick might represent 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, or even 1 week. Each candlestick has 4 important prices: the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price. If the stock closes higher than it opened, the candle is often shown in green. If it closes lower than it opened, it's often shown in red. That's why traders pay so much attention to candlestick charts. Next, let's look at trends. When prices are generally moving higher over time, that's called an uptrend. When prices are moving lower, that's a downtrend. Sometimes prices move sideways without a clear direction. Understanding the trend can help you understand what the market has been doing. Another useful concept is support and resistance. Support is a price level where buyers have historically stepped in, slowing or stopping a decline. Resistance is a level where sellers have historically become more active, making it harder for the price to move higher. These levels aren't guarantees, they're simply areas that many investors and traders watch. Now let's talk about volume. Volume tells you how many shares were traded during a specific period. High volume often means there is strong interest in the stock. Low volume may indicate less activity. Many investors look at price and volume together rather than looking at price alone. One mistake many beginners make is trying to predict every short-term move from a single chart. Charts can help you understand market behavior, but they don't predict the future. That's why many long-term investors combine chart analysis with understanding the company, its business, and their own investment goals. If you're just getting started, don't worry about learning dozens of indicators immediately. Focus on understanding price, candlesticks, trend, support and resistance, and volume. Mastering these basics will give you a much stronger foundation than jumping straight into advanced strategies. Remember, reading a chart is a skill. Like any skill, it improves with practice. The more charts you look at, the more comfortable you'll become. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Financial Way for weekly investing videos. In the next video, we'll explain 2 terms you'll hear all the time in the financial news: bull markets and bear markets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.